A talk on media and governance was organized by the Meghalaya Institute of Governance MIG on the 27th of June 2022 at the Asian Confluence, Shillong, where the editor of the Tribune, Rajesh Ramachandran, was the speaker at the program. Others present included the Principal Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya and also Director General, Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Sampath Kumar, the Director of the Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Aiban Swer, the editor of the Shillong Times, Patricia Mukhim, president of the Shillong Press Club, Laitphlang, representatives of Shillong-based media houses, and state government officials, besides eminent personalities from civil society and institutions. An interactive session was also held after the program. The Principal Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, had given a brief introduction on the role of media and governance and how media acts as a bridge between the government and the people. While addressing the gathering, the editor of the Tribune, Rajesh Ramachandran, spoke on the history of public opinion since British era that paved the way for formation of governance, platforms used by different legacy newspapers, and how newspapers equate with the freedom of speech and free choice. He also stressed on the power of media in its role in shaping the future. Ramachandran further highlighted on the role the media plays through legitimate public opinion.
Unfortunately, the fourth pillar has no such constitutional sanction. Interestingly, our founding fathers wanted to gag the press right at the outset. Within 15 months of India becoming a republic and our constitution getting operational, the very first amendment imposed what are called reasonable restrictions on our right to speech. Article 19, which had guaranteed that all citizens shall have the right to freedom and speech, was curtailed through the Constitution First Amendment Act of 1951. Contrast this with the 1791 First Amendment of the US Constitution, according to which the US, I quote, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances.